Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Lyka Labs. Recently, Lyka Labs has registered a price hike of nearly 19% in the last 4 5 days. So today we are going to do the technical analysis and then to check whether this price hike which happened recently is it going to does it have the potential to get extended for the next few days or months or years like that. We will see whether or is it just a blip. We will see both the things. So we deployed a few technical indicators like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, and money flow here on this chart. You are watching right now the monthly technical chart of Lyka Labs, and this is the price history chart of Lyka Labs, and these are all the graphs that the technical indicators that we relate to the technical indicators that we have deployed on Lyka Labs. Okay, if you look at the price history, price trend path pattern of Lyka Labs, see we have data here since 2009, and it is very clear that up to 2015 the stock was not doing great, and after that after February 2014 it went there is a it started moving in the upward direction, and it made its peak. That time it was trading at 142 rupees 90 paise, and in November 2015 this stock reached its peak, and after that it went down and has been moving continuously there only. The recent bottom price, lowest price it reached was 45 rupees, and today the stock is trading at 63 rupees. Maximum, some 20 rupees, 25 rupees difference. That's it, not much. This is the candle for November, and this is the candle for October. Right now, you are watching the monthly technical chart. So this is why every candle stands for 1 month. Okay, in the initial glance itself, if you can see this negative super trend, right? This negative super trend had already set in, and right now the stock is under the influence of negative super trend, and already though this recently it has crossed the 20-day and 50-day moving average, but this negative super trend thing is a little bit big. That's what based on my experience. As long as this kind of thing is there, we cannot expect huge price rises in the stock. Okay, let's see what other technical indicators are saying. If you look at the RSI of last 1 year, since February 2016 onwards, we are seeing the RSI has been continuously frequenting below the midpoint. It has been playing below the midpoint, and one time it even it is brushing with the the bottom line 20 line, which clearly indicates that the strength is very low. The strength of the stock is very low. And look at the MACD. MACD, the red line is on top of the signal line. That itself says so many things, in a negative way. And the histogram bars are operating below the baseline, and most of them are 100. Okay, look at the momentum. Momentum again is playing below the most of it is just playing on top of the baseline. That means the stock is lacking even momentum also. Actually momentum has to be somewhere, it has to play on top of the baseline, and at least it has to cross some up to it has to go up to a certain extent. Actually right now here it is just leaving on the baseline. So what about the ADX? Here the direction strength of the stock is literally going down, crashing actually. Money flow is also going sideways like this. So we are seeing we are getting most of the guiding points in a negative this thing, and on top of that we have this negative super trend mode. The only positive thing is recently the stock has crossed the 20-day and 50-day moving averages. So I can clearly conclude that this stock is not good for long-term investment at the moment. And whatever price rise, this 19% or whatever it has recently shown, it is like it is a blip. It's like we cannot. These the stock don't have that much potential to extend the gains for the next few days or months or whatever. So whatever positive thing it has shown in the price rise, in terms of price rise, it is only for a temporary period. So that is the conclusion, and we'll come back to the stock after a few days, and then we'll see whether there are any positive points to be considered. So until then, the stock is not good for long-term investment. That is the conclusion. but you can use this stock for short-term trading, because you can see within a span of 7 to 8 days, you are getting. I mean, the stock has. I mean, the price of the stock has increased from 53 rupees, nearly 10 rupees. It has increased. Okay, then. Anyway, most of the below 100 stocks, people buy in thousands and multiples of thousands. So even 1 rupee or even 2 rupees, 3 rupees gain also, I mean, results in thousand rupees profits like that. So if you, I mean, this stock is good for short-term trading, but not good for long-term trading. So that is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.